Everyone has some or many or even most of these stocks on their watch lists. That is the easiest part. Can you pick the best runners amongst this group? Furthermore, can you enter the best ones at the right time with the right commitment? As an exercise, let us take one or two stocks from this watch list, and let us see how good are your decision-making skills. To make it interesting, I will hide the ticker symbols on the charts. It is so simple, yet so hard. The rule is that you make your decision or your paper trade on the current chart before moving to the next chart. You may pause this video at each chart to allow you time to write down your trade. Can you figure out which were the two stocks we used in our examples from this list? Would you like to practice some more? Click on the link below.